before the machine. A page traveled slowly. A hand copied one line, then copied it again. Knowledge could survive a century and still remain inside one room. Then type was set, ink met paper, and pressure made a copy. The page returned not once, but many times. Once words could multiply, authority could no longer decide alone. Who heard them? The story did not begin in Maine. Centuries earlier, East Asian printers carved whole pages and pressed them into paper. In China, movable type was developed. In Korea, metal type printed books before Gutenberg's Bible appeared. No single inventor created printing, but in 15th century Europe, Gutenberg joined metal letters, durable ink, paper casting, and the screw press. He turned separate crafts into a system that could repeat. A manuscript carried one hand through one page at a time. The press carried one arrangement through hundreds of impressions. Compose, ink, press, lift, reset, repeat, release. One page became many. One workshop opened into routes. Once words could multiply, authority could no longer decide alone. Who heard them? The press did not prove an idea true. It made the idea easier to copy, to carry, to contest. The word escaped the speed of the writing hand. Individual letters weighted backward in the composing stick. Lines became a form locked tightly into place. Ink rolled across the raised type. Paper entered the plate and descended. Pressure transferred the page. If the sheet, the sentence appeared forward, then another and another and another. The labor did not disappear. Type had to be cast, sorted, set, ink, pressed, dried, bound, sold, and carried. But the same arranged page could answer more than once. Printing shops spread through cities. Booksellers built new routes. Bibles, pamphlets, maps, manuals, poems, arguments, news. Languages spoken in streets entered pages more often. Readers compared copies. Scholars answered scholars. Reformers reached beyond the pulpit. A claim could travel before a ruler had answered it. A correction could travel to the reader was still not everyone. Books still cost money. Literacy still drew a boundary, but the circle of possible readers grew wider than the old manuscript room. One page became many. One workshop opened into routes. Once words could multiply, authority could no longer decide alone. Who heard them? A printed claim could cross a border. A reply could follow the press. Change knowledge from an object guarded into a struggle over circulation. But multiplication had no conscience. The same press carried scripture and accusation, evidence and rumor, science and superstition, reform and persecution. Churches printed doctrine, states printed commands. Printers sought licenses, censors burned books. Power used the machine, even as the machine weakened its control over who received the word. The press did not free the word. It changed the speed of the struggle over it. Copies made comparison possible. An error could multiply, but correction could become repeatable too. Diagrams returned, tables held their arrangement. A reader in one city could study the page another reader had seen elsewhere. Knowledge gained, repetition, argument gained an audience. The printed page became a meeting place between people who never met. Not because distance disappeared, because the same words could survive the distance. compose, ink, press, copy, circulate, contest. One arrangement, many impressions, one argument, many encounters. Once words would multiply, authority could no longer decide alone who heard them. The press did not make truth victorious, it made silence harder to organize completely. It did not end control, it multiplied the paths control had to chase. The press did not free the word, it changed the speed of the struggle over it. The tinter lifted one ivory sheet, behind it another waited and another. The door opened, pages entered, churches, markets, universities, courts, and private rooms. The machine did not choose what people would believe. It changed how many people could take part.